हेलो दोस्तों, चलिए आज हम लोग इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे। ये हुआ नीतू मैम का वॉल्यूम 1 बुक। इसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इंग्लिश। तो पढ़ लीजिए फर्स्ट पेज, इंग्लिश फॉर जनरल कंपटीशन, इंडिस्पेंसिबल फॉर ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम बाय नीतू मैम विथ 10 न्यू चैप्टर्स। ठीक है, चलिए। डेडिकेटेड बाय beloved son whose time I stole to write this one, sorry। ये देखिए प्रेफरेंस है। This book, English for General Competition, is my gift to the aspirant of competitive exam who will surely be benefited by the approach of this book, along with a numerous questions given at the end of every chapter, carefully picked from the different question papers of various competitive exams. The solution of every question has detailed explanation for easy understanding. All the latest question, especially of passive voice and narration, have been in, incorporated to help the students know the latest pattern of the questions being asked in different competitive exam. In the nutshell, I would like to say that this book is an attempt to fill the a void to aspirant of Hindi medium felt when I come to preparing English for competitive exam. In this revised edition, I am including meaning for all the synonyms and antonyms incorporated in the practice sets. This book has been changed a lot and many new chapters have been included. Now the book is more comprehensive and exciting. The best part of this sixth edition is that now get you can get explanation of all the questions of the exercises given after the chapters. Our students constructive feedback and suggestion are most welcome, which have always remained and will remain our guideline. Let's I will highly obliged to the message. Email me your feedback or suggestion on added 6033 or support added KD campus और .org। इसको कोई नहीं पढ़ता होगा, लेकिन आज हम पढ़ के आप लोग को सुना दिए। चलिए आगे चलते हैं। ये देखिए हम लोग पास इतना चैप्टर है। वर्ब, टेंस, पैसिव वॉइस, नरेशन, क्वेश्चन टैग, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एग्रीमेंट, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, वर्ब एज नाउन, इंटरप्रेटिक्स। हाँ गोंद रुको एक मिनट देखते हैं दी। ए पापा रुकिएगा हमारे। चलिए तो मैं वापस आ चुका हूँ, फिर से हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। तो यहाँ तक थे वर्ब एज द नाउन Grants infinitive participle inversion mode noun pronoun adjective conjunction articles preposition adverb parallelism super superfluous expressions और कहा जी पर्सल भार सेंटेंस improvement words in often confused misused vocabularies synonyms antonyms one word substitution item and phrase meanings in sentence idiom and phrase in practice set चलिए अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे आइटम्स एंड फ्रीज कहाँ पे है पेज नंबर देख लेते हैं 419 में देखिए प्रैक्टिस सेट है लेकिन हम प्रैक्टिस सेट नहीं करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पहले पढ़ लेंगे उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कितना सब्स्टिट्यूशन यहीं से पढ़ते हैं हम लोग A beater a place will animal kid about a man who is the head of monastery or an abbey abbreviation a sorted form of word or phrase abdication to formally give up ablution ritual washing of the body obstrus hard to understand abundance quantity that is more than enough accentuate give more importance acronyms words from initial letters of the name any dumb things to be added at the end of book etc अब इन्हें पढ़ने का मन कर आगे चलिए पढ़ते हैं अब हमको ये पढ़ना था क्या है एचिल्स हिल का मतलब होता है स्मॉल बट फैटल वीकनेस add fuel to fire make a matter worse an armchair job good income with good income job with high comfort an egg to grind some things done for selfish reason an iron will drid iron will strong willpower an old flame a person with whom one had a romantic relationship in the past an old head on a child or young person who thinks and talks like an old an olive branch a piece of request piece of treaty a apple of discord matter of dispute apple of one's eye very lovable dearest one apple pie order in good condition at a loss to be unable to decide up at a pitch in a travel at arm's length avoid becoming too friendly at digger drawn to have a bitter enmity at ease free from pain and anxiety at one's fingertips to have complete knowledge at one wits end, puzzled, confused, perplexed, at sixes and sevens, and disorder, at stake, at risk of insecure, at the 11th hour, at the last moment, backstair gossip, talk about servant, unfair talks, bad blood, enmity, bitter relationship, bags and baggage, with all belongings, baker's dozen, 13 in number, be born with silver, to be born in a rich family, spoon in mouth, be in driving seat, bearing all responsibilities, bear the brunt of, to be bear a main parts of something unpleasant, beat about the bus, to talk in around roundabout, beat about the bus, to talk in no, sorry, beat black and blue, beating mercilessly, beat hollow, defeat truly and convincingly, beach the skull, ready to obey order instantly, bed of roses, pleasant situation of comfort, bed of thrones, a situation of extremely beggar description, a person with no resources, Bill the cat, taking first step to personal risks, between the devil and the deep sea, between two difficult situations, big gun, an influential person, birds of passage, one who come occasionally, bird's eye view, overview, birds of feather, people with the same idea, characteristic and interest, bite the dust, to be defeated, black sheep, a person who is regarded as disgrace of for his family, team, etc. Blind alley, a situation in which no further progress can be made. Blind date, a meeting between a girl and boy who have not met before. Below one's own trumpet, to praise oneself. B- Blue blood, royal or aristocratic dis- descent. Blue block, government body of soul, entirely bolt from the blue, unaccepted problem, born of consentation, subject of a dispute. Boon blessing and minute. Ask about me. Read one time. All of you. I'm coming soon. तो हेलो दोस्तों, मैं एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक में गया था। मैं फिर आ गया। फिर हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। अब यहाँ से पढ़ेंगे 52 नंबर से। One blessing and disguise hidden blessing. Bosom friend, fast friend, break the ice to start a conversation. Breathe once last to pass away, to die. Broad daylight and day night. Broken reed, a weak, unreadable person. Brown study, a state of deep thought. Bull in China shop, one who is out of place in a delicate situation. Burn a hole in the pocket. Money spent quickly. Burn one's finger to get oneself into trouble. Burn the candle at both ends to use one's resource or energies to excess. Burn burn the candle at both ends to use one's resources or energies to excess. Burn to midnight oil, lavering, stirring till late night. Burning question. Hot issue. Bury the hatch to end hostily. आज हम लोग इतना ही पढ़ेंगे। और ये सब क्वेश्चन हर एग्जाम, इंग्लिश जो एग्जाम में आता है, हर एग्जाम में ये सब आता है। इसे याद करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। जो एग्जाम जो तैयारी कर रहा है जनरल कंपटीशन का, उसको याद करने से बहुत ज़रूरी है। लेकिन जो रेलवे की तैयारी कर रहा है, क्योंकि रेलवे में इंग्लिश पूछता नहीं है, रेलवे वाले स्टूडेंट के लिए जीके जीएस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि 50 क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं। सो आप लोग ध्यान लगा के ये सब याद कर लीजिए, क्योंकि आप लोग के लिए ये सब हेल्पफुल है। असाइनमेंट सेंटेंस भी याद कर लीजिए। जो टॉपर थे उनका मैं देखा था यूट्यूब पे, उन लोग कम से कम 2000 वर्ड याद कर लेते हैं। तो हम लोग को टॉप नहीं करना है, इसलिए हम लोग कम से कम 500 से 600 वर्ड याद कर लेंगे तो इनफ है। तो ठीक है, मिलते हैं बाद में। बाय बाय, सी यू। सबको अपना ध्यान रखिएगा।